Hello friends, in previous lecture we see chain condition and completeness, ACC ascending chain condition, DCC descending chain condition and some theorem. Now in this lecture we are going to study join irreducible elements and meet irreducible elements. Here let L be a lattice and X element belongs to L. Let definition let L be a lattice and element X belongs to L is join irreducible if first X is not equal to 0 in case L has 0, and second X is equal to A join B implies X is equal to either A or X is equal to B for all A comma B belongs to L. Zero element is not join irreducible. If X is equal to A join B, then either X is equal to A or X is equal to B. That means in this case, suppose like this, A and B, A join B is equal to X. Here neither X is equal to A nor X is equal to B. In this case, X not irreducible. If X is related by two elements, then it is not a join irreducible. That means X is related by only one element. Now, dual statement. Dual statement is meet irreducible. That means L is lattice and element X belongs to L is meet irreducible. First, if X is not equal to 1 in case L has 1. And second, X is equal to A meet B implies X is equal to A or X is equal to B for all A comma B belongs to L. In this case, if X is equal to A meet B like this, X either X is equal to A or X is equal to B. Here neither X is equal to A nor X is equal to B. So in this case, X is not meet irreducible. That means X is meet irreducible, then it has only one upper cover. like this. Then it is X is equal to meet irreducible. Now set of all join irreducible elements is denoted by J of L. That means set of all join irreducible elements. Similarly, set of meet irreducible elements is denoted by M of L. M of L set of, and J of L and M of L are ordered set under the relation defined in L. Under the relation defined in L. Both are order relations. Now, here example, in a chain, every non-zero element is a join irreducible. In a chain, every non-zero element is join irreducible element. That means here, if L is a chain of n elements, then J of L is a chain of n minus 1 elements. Here, like this, A, B, C, D, E. This is chain of 5 elements. Chain of 5 elements. This is L. J of L join irreducible element are B, C, D, E, like this. Join irreducible element B, C, D, E, not A. And again, this element is a chain. J of L is a chain of 4 elements. This is L is a chain of 5 elements. J of L is a chain of 4 elements. Now, second, here, in a finite lattice L, in a finite lattice, L, an element is a join irreducible, if and only if it has only one lower cover. If and only if it has exactly one lower cover. If and only if it has exactly one lower cover. That means join irreducible element is related with only one element. Related with only one element. Like this. Suppose here 0, here 1, A, B. Here A is related with 0. A is related with 0. That means A is a joint irreducible. Similarly, B is related with 0, only one element. So B is a joint irreducible. Here 1 is not joint because 1 is related with 2 elements, A and B. So 1 is not a joint irreducible. Similarly, for meet irreducible in a finite lattice, but lattice must be finite. In a finite lattice, an element is meet irreducible if and only if it has exactly one upper cover. If and only if it has exactly one, that means it is related to only one element of the lattice. X is in finite lattice, X belongs to L, then X is meet irreducible if X is related to only one element. X is related to only one element. Now, here L. Here this element 0, A, B, C, 1. Here A is related with 0. That means A has only one lower cover. So it is joint irreducible. A is a joint irreducible. Similarly, B is a joint irreducible. Here C is a joint irreducible. But 1 is not joint irreducible. Now, another example here. Here 0, here 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here, in this case, A is a joint irreducible. B is a joint irreducible. C is not a joint because C is related with 2 elements. Here D is a joint irreducible. E is not. F is joint irreducible. Like this. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 joint irreducible. And meet irreducible are, this is meet irreducible also. Meet irreducible. It is not a meet irreducible. It is a meet irreducible. It is meet irreducible. Like this. Here, these only 2 are joint irreducible. Also, this is also. These 3 elements are joint irreducible and meet irreducible. This is only meet irreducible. This is joint irreducible only. Now, another figure here. Like this, suppose like this. See here, this is not a, because this is 0, not a joint reducible. But this is a joint reducible, shaded this element like this. This is also joint reducible because it is related with one element only. Joint reducible. This is also joint reducible. This is not joint. This is not joint. This is, but this is a joint reducible element because it is related with only one element. This is not joint. This is not joint. This is not joint. This is also not joint. But this is a joint reducible. This is a joint reducible. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements. These are not joint irreducible. Similarly, meet irreducible. See here, starting from above, 1. It is not a always meet irreducible. Okay, it is not a. See here, this is meet irreducible. This is also, it is related with one element. This element is related with one element. This is also related with one element. Okay. Now, this is also meet irreducible. These two elements. Here, this is meet irreducible, and these two. Here also 7 meet irreducible. 7 joint irreducible. Here shaded element denote for joint irreducible, and M denote the meet irreducible elements. M denote the meet irreducible elements. Now, next example here, consider N0 with LCM and GCD. Here relation is division. Relation is division. A non-zero element M. A non-zero element M in N0 is joint irreducible is a joint irreducible if M is of the form P raised to R, where P is a prime, P is a prime, and R belongs to N, positive integer. R is a positive integer, belongs to N. Then M is a joint irreducible. That means here, if we take N0, see here, N0, here 1, 0 element is in N0, 0 is 1 and 1 is 0. Here 1, that means starting from 1. Here this is 2, 3, 5, like this, and so on, like this. All primes. Here coming all primes. Then here 4. Okay, then 8. 9, like this, and so on. Here 2. Here 2 is joint reducible. Here 4 is also joint reducible. 4 is also joint reducible. Here 6, like this. Here 6. 6 is not joint reducible. 6 is not joint reducible. 8 is joint reducible because 8 can be written 2 to the power 3, like this. These are joint irreducible. Now let x be any set. Okay, L is equal to P of x. L is equal to P of x, set of all subset of x. Relation is inclusion. Relation is inclusion. The joint irreducible element, the joint irreducible, in this case, the joint irreducible is joint irreducible element. Joint irreducible elements are exactly the singleton set, are exactly the singleton set. Like this. Singleton set, okay, for x belongs to A. For example, here x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then P of x, here P of x is equal to like this. Here 5, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 1, 2, here 1, 3, here 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. This lattice. Clearly here, joint irreducible element is 1, 2, because one has here only one lower cover, here only one lower cover, and 3. Only the singleton sets, only singleton sets are joint irreducible elements, are joint irreducible elements. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.